Hi, and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to check and manage your subscription for the Column View Permission app. Whether you're using the trial version or have purchased a subscription, this guide will help you navigate subscription management with ease. Here's what we'll cover in this video. An overview of subscription. How to get your site URL, site ID, or tenant ID. How to check and update your subscription status. Now, let's dive in. When you first start using the Column View Permission app, you can enjoy a 30-day trial subscription. During the trial, all features are fully functional, with no limitations. If your subscription, whether it's a trial or a purchased version, is going to expire within 30 days, a notification message will always appear at the top of the dialog to let you know. If it's not expiring within 30 days, the notification won't appear automatically, but you can hover your mouse over the top of the dialog to see it. Once the subscription expires, the message will update to show the expiration date like this. To continue using the app after the trial or subscription period ends, you'll need to purchase a subscription. There are two types of subscriptions available. Site subscription. This gives access to all users within a specific site collection, with no restrictions for end users. Tenant subscription. This is more flexible, allowing access across all sites and site collections within the same tenant, with no limitations. You can purchase the subscription directly from our website. Before we activate your subscription, you'll need to provide your site URL, site ID, or tenant ID. Here's how to find this information. Go to any list on your site. In the List command bar, click on Column View Permission. At the top of the pop-up dialog, you'll see a subscription message. Click on it to open the License Management dialog. In this dialog, you will find your site URL, site ID, or tenant ID. Copy this information and send it to us. Once we activate your subscription, we'll notify you via email. How to check and update subscription status. After activation, you can then check or update your subscription status. Here's how to do it. Go to any list on your site. In the List command bar, click on Column View Permission. Click the subscription message to open the License Management dialog. Click the refresh icon next to the expiration date. The updated status will then appear with the new expiration date. Your subscription status will reflect the type of subscription you've purchased. A site subscription will display the status as site. A tenant subscription will display the status as tenant. And that's it. Checking and updating your subscription status is quick and simple. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing Boost Solutions.